Alright guys, good news. Finally the key came in. We're hoping this is the right key. Based on the emblem on the back of the key, where it's kind of glued on, kind of like the door handle, I'm pretty certain this is the right key for the car. Either way, this is moment of truth to see will the car actually run. Well, here we go. Got the jump box on the car. And moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Well, the key fob's not working, but Mark, you come closer, Judge. Okay, well, it fits in there. It said, okay, hold on. Okay, no security lights, nothing. She's alive! Woo! Look at that. The car is alive! Look at that, y'all. That is awesome. It paid off to keep looking for the key, and thankfully, like I said, that dealership in Lamborghini misplaced it, and they had our key. So we ain't gotta take the car anywhere, and the car runs. Woo! There we go. Alright, upon starting up the car, we noticed there's an oil leak somewhere. So maybe a seal is broken or a line is busted. Need to investigate this a little bit further. Need to get a flashlight in here. You see it's coming from the top? There's the broken link. It's a little hose there. And it's leaking oil. So we just need to see where this little thing broke off. Looks like a pretty easy fix. I wonder how it broke off. There's no way it broke off from the impact. Because there's no impact on that side. Small little seal. You see it's bubbling up right there? Yep, that's it. And it looks like it's been fixed before too. I personally had bad experiences with Lamborghini dealers and Ferrari dealers. They do some really crappy work, to be honest. Usually the best thing to do is find an independent shop that specializes in those cars. Because whoever fixed that right there did a pretty poor job.
What's up, YouTube world? Welcome back to Auto Rehab. We're gonna be working on the Lamborghini Gallardo Part 2. We're gonna try and do a teardown and get more in depth with the car and just go from there. Alright, so as you can see, we're starting this piece off, and it looks like a little piece of the taillight is broken as well. So I don't know if this is fixable or we're gonna have to get another taillight. And these taillights are not cheap. Awesome service work they do at Lamborghini. Look at that. I mean, different bolts on everything. It's got like window glue all over, man. This should be an interesting build. In case you guys are wondering why we're using hand tools, it's an Italian car, it was hand built, therefore we're returning the favor. Okay, so we found where the wire goes. Not the wire, the line, this line right here. If you look right here where my finger is, right there, there is a, right there. Can't get that off. But anyways, it looks like the exhaust pushed it, it broke it off. And the exhaust got hit. And that's some kind of oil feed line. goes into here. There it is. That's why I was leaking oil. This cool aftermarket mod. You open the door, bam, Lambo, it lights up. So, yep, cool aftermarket mod, right? It's cheap and easy to install.
All right, guys, we came pretty much to the end of today. It's getting late. We got to get back to work tomorrow at the junkyard. Either way, we were able to do a pretty good teardown and a good assessment of what we need for the car. And most important, we were able to find out what the oil lines were going to. Because like I said, it was a broken feed and spilling oil out. So thankfully, it just runs to the oil cooler. Like I said, an easy task. The only thing we're contemplating is possibly maybe taking the engine transmission down and going through all the seals, going through all the oil lines, and you know what I mean, like taking a step further to make sure everything's gonna be perfect once the car is back together. I did find most of the parts in Texas, so we'll be taking a trip down there soon, you know, to pick them up and maybe get some more things on the way there. That's it. Like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode, saw some stuff that you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next episode. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Either way, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.
I want to get the public's opinion. I've got a couple of wheel options for this one that I'm looking to go with. My previous one, I had the bronze, the Hyper Bronze Verde wheels, and I loved how they sit. The offset was great. They looked great, and they were really cheap, surprisingly. The only thing I would do is get these powder coated in gloss black if I went with the same wheel setup. There are other two more options we have out there. I'm gonna upload them, and one of those stance wheels, I had them on my Ferrari F430. I'll go ahead and upload a picture of that as well. And just let me know if you guys like option 1, option 2, or 3. And like I said, I'm going to take that into consideration and decide which wheels to go with. Thanks, you guys. See you. Bye.
What up, y'all? All right, I'm here with Josh from Recars. They're buying the Hellcat for me. They're from Missouri, and they have their own little gig. I'm gonna let him tell you guys more a little bit about it. But in the meantime, I hand over the keys to the new owner. You know what I mean?
What's up, guys? This is Josh from Recar. Flew in from Missouri. Just bought this 2016 Hellcat. About to take it for a test drive and see what we can do. So what we do at Recar, we buy vehicles with damage history, and then we buy them ready to go. We buy them from builders all across the country, and that's how we actually found this Hellcat. We found it on Instagram and YouTube, and then I just sent him a DM, found it, flew out here, and now we're about to take her home. So at 74 Auto, we sell wrecked cars. We've been doing this for about 15 years, and then we just started Recar. So Recar is just the ready-to-go, repaired vehicles. 74, like I said, they just deal with the wrecks. They sell 100, 150 a month. And the Recar, we sell about 50, 60 a month, ready to go. We can finance them, we can warranty them, and this Hellcat, it'll be able to be financed, it'll be able to be warranted, and like I said, it's okay. I don't know.